Every day, billions of people drink Coca-Cola, but almost no one sees how it's really made. From refined sugar and purified water to high-speed bottling lines, today we're going inside a Coca-Cola factory to reveal the step-by-step process behind the world's most iconic drink.
This journey begins inside a modern Coca-Cola factory, where global production comes to life every single day. Refined sugar is one of the key ingredients, delivered under tightly controlled conditions.
Before production begins, every ingredient is tested for quality and safety. Once approved, materials are stored in sealed systems until production begins. With materials secured, the production process is ready to begin. Water is the foundation of Coca-Cola, and it undergoes advanced purification before use. Every drop is monitored to meet strict quality standards. Refined sugar is stored in sealed silos to maintain purity. Measured sugar is carefully dissolved to form the beverage base. Once prepared, the base liquid moves seamlessly to the next production phase. Preparation complete. The transformation process begins next. This is where Coca-Cola's liquid base begins its transformation.
While the exact formula remains secret, precision and control are clearly visible.
Automation ensures the syrup is mixed under exact conditions. Samples are taken to confirm consistency before the next step. Once approved, the syrup moves forward for final transformation. Carbon dioxide gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz. Under controlled pressure, carbonation is carefully introduced.
The beverage is now ready for bottling.
Next, the finished beverage enters the bottling stage. Processing complete. Bottling begins next.
Sterilization ensures every bottle is clean and safe.
Empty bottles arrive ready for filling in the high-speed bottling hall.
Quality control ensures only perfect bottles continue down the line. Any bottle failing inspection is immediately removed from production. Approved bottles are cleared for packaging and shipping. Precision filling preserves taste and carbonation in every bottle. Labels are applied with exact precision to maintain brand consistency. Crates are sealed and labeled for easy tracking during distribution. Packed bottles are organized into pallets for efficient storage and transport.
Every pallet undergoes a final check before distribution. Quality control is a vital step, ensuring every bottle meets strict standards.
Advanced testing confirms carbonation, flavor, and consistency are perfect.
The yield on line 3 improved significantly this quarter.
The tablet confirms a 20% increase.
Yeah, but we still need to address the bottleneck in processing.
Random samples are taken from multiple lines to ensure uniform quality.
The trend data on the south quadrant is showing a critical deviation.
I see the anomaly. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
Carbonation is precisely monitored to ensure signature fizz in every bottle.
Expert tasters ensure that flavor matches Coca-Cola's exact standards.
Batch reports are reviewed and approved before shipment.
Quality control ensures every Coca-Cola bottle meets the highest global standards. Finished Coca-Cola products are carefully stored in warehouses, ready for distribution.
Loaded pallets are secured in trucks for safe transport to retailers. From factory to distribution centers, every shipment is carefully coordinated.
Regional centers receive shipments to supply local retailers efficiently.
Pallets are organized for fast and accurate local deliveries.
Local deliveries ensure Coca-Cola reaches stores on time, maintaining freshness. Efficient distribution ensures Coca-Cola is always available to consumers around the world. Finally, bottles reach the shelves, ready for consumers worldwide. Coca-Cola is now in the hands of consumers, completing the journey from factory to table.
Finally, Coca-Cola reaches the consumer, completing the full production and distribution cycle.
Coca-Cola's journey from factory to table is a marvel of precision and coordination. From raw ingredients to billions of bottles worldwide, Coca-Cola's production combines quality, scale, and efficiency.